If you're just starting out in business, or if you're looking to pivot your business from something you've done in the past, or just looking to start a new business because you recently sold one, these are the four top business models that I would go after in 2024. The first one being a low ticket subscription model for either like an information service or something along those lines. Now, of course, you're not really selling the information. Of course, that's included. You'd really be selling community on this one. And what I mean by loan ticket is this would be anywhere from $9 all the way up to probably about 49 bucks a month. For this, you'd probably build it on a platform like School, and you'd want it to be a mass market offer. So anything that you could get anywhere from 1,000 to upwards of 50,000 people into this and really create a community of something bigger than yourself. Again, it really depends on what your goals are and what you want to do and what you want that community to really feel like, to base off how many people you want in it. However, that's where I would start. Easiest level, easiest sale. You don't need a really crazy funnel to do this. You just need something that people are really willing to pay for and that you provide more value than you charge for every single month. There's tips and tricks on how to get the churn down in those memberships, but that's where I'd start. The next one is a mid to high ticket membership. This is where I'd sell it less on community, or perhaps if you're doing it more of a B2B offer, or if you're trying to collect business owners or high-end marketers or high-end salespeople, that price point is a filter to filter out those people to then sell them on the community. The other thing that you really could do if you don't want to necessarily sell it on community or community just alone is you also sell it on implementation or helping them get those results that are offered in this information services membership. The next one, and this is honestly the most exciting one, this is one, it's probably created more decamillionaires, maybe even a billionaire, than the last two, is doing SaaS, white labeled SaaS services. So for example, you could take Go High Level and you could white label it and resell it. And what's really cool about this is you get all the bonuses of SaaS without actually having to develop the product yourself. Now, not all services offer white labeling. Some of them have fees, some of them require rev share. But at the end of the day, it's kind of like affiliates where you have this highly profitable service that if you have a large enough market that you can sell it to, you are going to make a huge amount of money from doing this. And it can be really awesome and really powerful to see, because then your real cost, you don't have really anything on fulfillment. You really just have marketing costs and or sales costs involved in that. And it can be highly scalable. So again, that's why I say you can make a lot of money like this. In fact, Mark Cuban, I do believe one of his businesses early on was similar with either white labeling software services. He also had a company where he would integrate different softwares together, which is really funny because now we have companies like Zapier that have kind of replaced the need for that. But then you have companies built on top of that saying that they'll integrate other services, but then really they're just using Zapier, maybe a little bit of hard coding themselves, and or other services to integrate different softwares and build them out. And then this is the last one that I would do, and this one's mainly going to be focused on implementation. Again, you can sell it on community because you can use the price point to filter to sell it on community, like, oh, only high-level people are in here because only high-level people can afford this. But doing a high-ticket coaching program or any form of high-ticket can be really good. The reason why I say this is because you can just get really good margins, and if you're looking to generate cash flow to dump into real estate or other investments, this can be an awesome option, especially if you have tons of expertise in a certain area of marketing, copywriting, email marketing, content creation. All of these different areas, if you have like a really profound expertise, can be really leveraged to create a phenomenal program that can help people get the results that they want and also make you a significant amount of money as well. The thing I will say about high-ticket coaching is it can be difficult to scale beyond 7 figures and even more difficult to scale beyond 8 figures. Not possible. It's not quite as scalable as the SaaS model or the low-ticket membership model, but it is doable. People have done it before. And the really cool thing about it too is you're not limited to just that one option or any of the other options I've given you today. You can combine these into a different product offering suite. You can add your own product offers into this. There's a lot of different things that you can do, but these are all ideas that you can take. So if you got value from any of these ideas, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more entrepreneurs like you, and I hope you have a great day.